and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to bring you guys my CVS haul. Now CVS is kind of slow, same thing with Walgreens, so I was really trying to share with you guys some deals. So I got some good stuff to share with you guys, and I'm just gonna walk you through it. Now the first deal I did was the Yes deal. Now I never get the CRT, and then all of a sudden one popped up and I'm like, sweet. So I totally forgot to do my math for this. But this was $3.59. It is a unicorn paper mask, so I'm just like, yes! And then I got the charcoal. Now I was debating on getting these ones or the cucumbers, and I really don't like cucumber smells because it reminds me of Nair, and I'm just like, bleh. But this was, I did write it down, I thought. Did I write it down? Oh, I meant the Walgreens breakdowns. Give me 1 second. Let's see. Yeah, I did write it down. I just didn't write down the price. So this was $6.99 and this was $3.59. I had a $3 off CRT for some wipes. So you guys would basically pay like $7.50 for this, okay? Then you guys would get $7 back in an ECB because you spent 10. So this basically comes out to be like 60 cents, I think, for both of these. So it's a great deal. So I'm actually interested to see how this wipes go, but I'm super excited. Like, even the iridescent gets to me, so pretty exciting. Yeah, I wish I could have a unicorn headband. I actually have one at my desk. It was right here, so there's that. Okay. The next deal I did was the soft soap body wash. Now, none of my store had them, any of them priced. Some of them were discontinued, and those were priced, but they didn't say anything about, you know, being priced. So I scanned a couple of them, and they all said $4.99. And in the ad, it's buy one, get one 50% off. And I says, yeah. She's like, are these discontinued? I'm like, no, because, you know, they're not showing they're discontinued at all. They just say $4.99. The discontinued ones are like $3 something. And I said they're also showing not buy one get one 50% off. So she actually changed the price for me because, you know, something just wasn't going right, and I don't know. So make sure you guys, you know, watch your stuff like a hawk, because there's stuff that doesn't ring up correctly, and it should. So she helped me out with this. So these were $4.99. Buy one get one 50% off. I was only available to print one 75-cent off coupon. It said I maxed out at 75-cent coupon. I don't know why. But there is a printable 75-cent coupon from softsoap.com. I also had a 2 off of 6 CRT. So I paid $4.73 for this. But then you guys would get 3 cents back. $3 and extra care bucks, making it $1.73 or 86 cents. So if you guys can get that 75-cent coupon for 2 of them, that'd be even a better deal, but somehow my account only let me do 1. Okay, I did the Schick razor deal, so I ended up getting 2 of these razors and then 1 of these Skintimate shaves. So these were $11.79, and this was $3.69. I used 2 $3 off coupons and one $1 off coupon. I had a 5 off of 20 CRT, plus I had a $2 off CRT that I used. So I paid $13.27. You guys would get a $10 extra care buck, making it $3.27. So these are like, you know, a little over $1, which is still a great deal. I have used these razors. They're okay. The one thing I really do like is they actually come with a holder for your shower. And that is one thing that I absolutely like, is for stuff like that. So the next deal I ended up doing was this Eucerin deal, okay? Now it said select. My store didn't have any signs up yet, so I had to just kind of guess. And you can't just guess. So what happens is it said select Eucerin is spend 20, get 10. Well, she ended up just giving me a $10 ECB because this apparently didn't qualify. So make sure you guys, again, checking your receipts because this should have worked. I've done this 100 times, but they didn't have any signs to let me know what ones work. So, but these were $10.29. I used a 5 off of 2 coupon, plus I had a $2.25 off of 10 CRT. So I paid $13.33 for this, but you guys would get $10 back in an extra care buck, making it $3.33. So not the greatest deal, but hey, if you guys want to go ahead and do that deal, go for it. But make sure you're checking your thing because stuff just didn't turn out right in my favor. So the next deal I did was the Maybelline mascara deal. Now this was $7.59 and this was $9.49. I had a $3 off any Maybelline products. I had a $3 off Great Lash and I had a $3 off or $2 off. I think it was $2 off Great Lash and $3 off Claw. So it was 3, 3, and 2 is what I had for CRTs. And again, I didn't even write the price down for this, you guys. I feel like such an idiot. I don't even know what I paid for this. But I'll do the math when you guys do the breakout. Sorry, I just did not write this stuff down. But you guys would pay so much for it, but then you guys would get a $5 extra care buck. So I think these come out to be like $1 or $2 a piece for what I did with my math in my head. So definitely go for a hit. This is my favorite mascara. I love this mascara. So sharing with you guys on that. So then I needed, I had a spend $6 get $20 off of a CRT that I used for the Maybelline, and then I used it for the Yes. So and then I had to spend like $2 more when I did 3 transactions. I had to spend $2 more to use that 6 off of 30. So I ended up just buying 6 nut rolls because these are 2 for $1. So I thought I get these because I love eating these. Just I always have them in my purse. So that's what I got to use for that 6 off of 30. But then as I was about to leave, I did the pizza deal. I'm just all over the place, you guys. Pizza deal, 2 for $11. You want to use 2 $1.50 coupons. I also had a 3 off of 10 food CRT. So I paid $5 for both of these, but then you guys can get a $2 extra care buck, making it $3 or just $1.50 a piece. My husband and I are not the greatest DiGiorno fans, but you know what? If we ever are desperate to eat it, we will eat it. I'm not as picky as he is, but there's that. Okay, so with my other card, I had also a 3 off of 10 food CRT. So I'm like, okay, let's see what I can do. And it actually turned out a pretty good deal because I was craving these. I wish they had the caramel ones, but they did not. So I ended up just getting the plain Hershey Kisses. Now the Hershey Kisses and the Reese's were 2 for $6. And then you guys get a $2 ECB when you buy 2 of those. So I got those because I wanted to get up to $10 worth of food. So I also got the Carmelos. Now these were 2 for $2, and then you guys would use, I think you use that $1 off coupon that we got in today's book, that the red box. So you guys would get these for like $1. So there was that. And then I also got a Kit Kat bar. Now this was $1.88. You guys would pay $1.88, but then you guys would get $1 back, so these make it just 88 cents. So it's basically just 2 candy bars in one. And then I just needed to spend $1 or like 30 something cents more. So again, I bought two salted nut rolls, you know, for the $1. So it came out to be like $10.88 for all those items. I used a 3 off of 10 CRT, plus I had $1 off for the Carmelos, so I paid $6.88 for those items, but then I got $2 back with the Hershey Kisses, and then I got $1 back for the Kit Kats, so it comes out to be $3.88 for just 7 items at 55 cents a piece, so it's a pretty good deal if you guys need to use those CRTs, so I was excited to use that. My total came to $8.17 for everything. I ended up using $41 of extra care bucks, but I did receive $39 back. Everything came out to be just $10.17 for just 27 items at 38 cents a piece. So $10.17 for all that stuff, I think is a pretty good deal, especially when the razors are $11.79 each, and the pizzas, if you bought them not on sale, they're $7. Like, go buy a fresh pizza from like Domino's or Pizza Hut cheaper than DiGiorno. So, yes, I just wanted to share with you guys my CVS haul. I hope you guys enjoy it. Have a Merry Christmas, and thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.